Did you know there's a woodworking club where the finished project is your own coffin? In Rotorua, New Zealand, a group of mostly elderly people meet on weekends to sand, paint, and fully decorate the boxes they'll one day be buried in. We're talking murals of fishing trips, golf course scenes, inside jokes painted right on the lid. One woman covered hers in butterflies. Another guy went with his favorite rugby team. It started in 2010 when a woman named Katie Williams got fed up with how expensive funerals had become. So she grabbed some wood, grabbed some friends, and just started building. What she accidentally created was one of the most genuinely joyful social clubs on Earth. Members keep the finished coffins at home. Some use them as bookshelves in the meantime. The clubs have now spread to the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. And every single member will tell you the same thing. It's the highlight of their week. Nothing like a deadline to make you appreciate the project.